Good morning and welcome back to ExpatCrib. My name is Ian and today we are in my hometown of El Retiro. I'm going to show you a super special apartment. It's a brand new complex, just finished last year. This is a brand new apartment. It's a 2-bedroom apartment with beautiful views of the hill, as you can see right here. Retiro is a beautiful town. It has a mountain on both sides, like a mini Medellin. Let's go take a look. All right, here we go. So we're going to start with this amazing balcony view here. I live not far from here. Again, in the beautiful town of El Retiro, my little tropical Switzerland. So, nice sized balcony, as you can see here. And you can enjoy your morning coffee here. A view to the living room. So as I said, this is a 2-bedroom apartment. I'll get the square meters and all the specifications we'll put in the description as usual. This apartment is priced at 700 million. So in US dollars, approximately 172,000, I think, as of today. Again, we'll put the price and all the descriptions in the end screen of the video. But I just wanted to get people to see what new builds are like in the town of El Retiro, where I live. And again, the price point for new builds here go anywhere from 150,000 up to 200,000. I would say is probably, for a bigger place, is about the price right now. Excuse the noise in the background. It sounds like some drilling going on, but again, it's a new building, so they're still finishing everything here. Okay. Again, you've got a nice hood fan here and a range. Okay. The only thing not included, I believe, is the refrigerator. I think even the oven is included, which is pretty standard here. Okay. Really nice sink, counter. And again, this is most likely built for 2 people, or again, it's a 2-bedroom. Could have a small family here, but I'm sure that you would have the island here for your dining. Okay. And then back here, unlike most apartments, they've actually put in a hot water tank. Most of the apartments built nowadays have right up here instant gas hot water heaters, which I actually prefer, but some people want the hot water tanks, which is what we normally have in Canada, or what we did when I was growing up. Okay, again, more space back here. This is kind of a utility room. This is your space right here for your washer and dryer. Let's take a look at the bedrooms. But just before we do, we'll see the social bathroom here. So as I said, this is a brand new complex. People are still moving in. This is the principal bedroom. Let's take a look at the views from the principal. Really nice views of the hill there. So this complex, as you can see in front there, has townhouses. And then right here, they have, I believe, 2 or 3 apartment buildings. So it's a mixed use plot of land here, okay? They have townhouses also. And then the town of Retiro is just over this way right here. You can walk there in probably 5 minutes from here. And then the river runs right along here. So again, this is the principal bedroom. And it has its own walk-in closet. And its own shower and washroom. So really nice space. Again, 172,000 US. I was telling the owners, or the family that owns this, that where I'm from in Vancouver, that would purchase 3 parking spaces. So everything's relative. If you're coming from somewhere in Alabama, maybe this price is expensive. But if you're coming from Vancouver, San Diego, Los Angeles, New York, this is a fairly reasonable price for an apartment. Again, it all depends on context and where you're coming from. So this is the smaller bedroom here, which could be a kid's bedroom or it could be an office. Again, really nice views. And you have fairly big closets here. And the great thing about this apartment and this complex here, like I said, the closest grocery store here, I know because I've been there many times, is probably maximum walking. You're talking about probably 8 to 10 minutes walking. Okay, there's a little plaza just over this way here. So, and if you're going by car, you are talking about 2 minutes, 3 minutes maximum. Again, really beautiful views from this apartment. The other thing too here in Retiro, there's more and more restaurants opening up and shopping services here, but in the area of Don Diego, not far from here, there's a new plaza going in, and here you're only about 18 to 20 minute drive from Llano Grande, where there's a really nice mall with 2 really beautiful grocery stores. I believe there's a Euro and a Caruja in that area. So if you got a car here, and you probably would have a car, this is a beautiful place to settle for sure. So this is Ian from ExpatCrib. Hope you've enjoyed this small 2-bedroom, 2-bathroom apartment. Again, I'll put all the specifications in the end screen. This is Ian from ExpatCrib, signing off, and we'll see you in the next video.